Monsieur le Président de la Confédération, Excellencies, dear guests and friends of CERN, it's a great honor and pleasure for me to welcome you all today to the inauguration of CERN Science Gateway, our brand new, emblematic center for scientific education and outreach, targeting people of all ages, starting from 5 years. From tomorrow morning, when we open our doors to the public, the Science Gateway will bring visitors from all over the world together around the mission and the values held dear by CERN since it was founded in 1954. This mission and values are, firstly, fundamental research to study the smallest constituents of matter and of the universe and the most fundamental laws of physics. Secondly, developing cutting-edge technologies for our research and also for application to many fields. Thirdly, training and education, which is particularly related to today's inauguration. And last but not least, collaboration across borders, with our community of almost 17,000 people from all over the world and more than 110 nationalities represented. The primary goal of the Science Gateway is to share with everyone the research we do here to improve our understanding of the universe, and more in general, to share the wonders and the utility of science. And we want to do so in a simple and fascinating manner, accessible to all. Over the past year, CERN has been hosting some 150,000 visitors out of 300,000 requests. In other words, we have only been able to satisfy half of the requests, and all our educational activities for visitors, teachers, students are currently overbooked. This means that there is a huge interest in CERN and in science among the public, and led us to develop the idea and then implement, construct, build a Science Gateway, which will allow us to expand significantly the opportunities we offer to the general public. In particular, with the Science Gateway, we want to contribute to increasing the trust of society in science, because we know that science is absolutely crucial to addressing today's challenges, from health to climate change. We want to inspire the young people to take up careers in STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. And we want to infuse everyone who comes here with curiosity and a passion for science. Le Portail de la Science sera une plateforme extraordinaire, regroupant sous un même toit des expositions interactives et immersives, des laboratoires pédagogiques avec des expériences pratiques la main à la pâte, ce magnifique amphithéâtre pour des événements et des spectacles scientifiques, un espace d'échange entre l'art et la science, et également un lieu où le public et les scientifiques pourront dialoguer au quotidien. Et vous avez eu, ou vous aurez l'occasion de voir tout ça aujourd'hui de vos propres yeux, en compagnie de nos guides qui sont tous des collègues du CERN ou des enfants des collègues du CERN. The Science Gateway will be very special in 3 respects. Firstly, it's not a museum, it's a learning center, lively, dynamic, interactive. Secondly, it's not located at a generic place. It's located at a place where scientists do frontier research every day. And actually, the Large Hadron Collider, the most powerful accelerator ever built by humanity, runs underneath our feet and the feet of the visitors. And thirdly, our guides are all volunteers from our community, because the public loves to meet the scientists and the people who work here. For me personally, the Science Gateway, it's a dream that becomes reality. C'est un rêve qui devient réalité. Je dois dire que j'ai du mal à maîtriser mon émotion aujourd'hui, sono molto emozionata. When we started to develop first ideas in 2017, we were aware of the challenges of such an ambitious project, starting from the cost, ultimately 100 million Swiss francs, to be fully covered by donations. But we could not imagine that soon the world would be turned upside down, firstly by COVID, and then by the war in Ukraine. And despite these global and local challenges, it has only taken less than 6 years from first ideas to today's inauguration for the Science Gateway to become a reality. To me, it looks like a miracle,